Hi guys, so to start this week's design I applied a base coat. I'm then using one of these Be Smiling stencils and applied it near the cuticle, as you can see. And I'm then going to paint the nail white to act as a base for the neon. Now I'm just going to paint carefully around the stencil because I'm going to leave this on for doing the sponging. So now that I've given that some time to dry, I'm going to go in with the neon colours. So I've just tidied up any of the neon polish that got into the smile line area, and over the whole nail I'm going to use once more one of my own polishes, and this is Aurora. Lastly, using a little bit of top coat, we're going to apply a rhinestone to the centre point.